Alrighty, so we have some pubic symphasis adjustments. So basically, there's a little joint in the front of the pelvis where it actually joins, and it can become offset to an extent or lack the movement it's supposed to have. And so that long axis reset that you're seeing in this video can actually be super helpful in terms of not just pain in the front of the pelvis, but also sometimes pain in the back of the pelvis because it all moves together. It does definitely get an interesting reaction out of a lot of people.